Hey guys, it's time for a paint party. I'm doing something different today, and I've tried it a couple of times. It didn't turn out how I wanted, so I'm still working on it, and hopefully it's going to go better this time. I'm doing a blowout, mostly with the blow dryer, but I think I may try something different this time. You'll see. The colors are going to be provided in the description as usual. I am using a cell activator, and that recipe will be in the description as well. You will be listening to music during the pouring portion, but I'll come back and talk to you at the end, and we'll talk about the results, and hopefully they'll be good this time. So enjoy. stop there. It's not perfect, but it's a lot better than the other attempts that I did. I've got it coming over here, not over here, and that's kind of bothered me. I tried tilting, and it was starting to screw it up pretty bad. So see how it's screwing up right there? And I just slung black in it. You just have to be careful. Anything you do can screw it up. It seems like you got to be careful. And I was able to get that out. It doesn't. Didn't make much difference. Let's see if I can tell. Yeah, right here. I am very, very picky, people. I will be the first to admit it. That if I see the slightest little skew, it bothers me. Anyway, I'm gonna be okay with this, even though it's not going over on this end. I should have, if I had it on a spin table, that would take care of that. I could spin this. But I've already got stick pins in the bottom, and that's not going to work with me trying to put it on a spin table at this point. But I'm pretty happy with the way it looks. After this, I turn the video off, I might actually try the spin table, and then we'll see. I don't want to screw it up though, to be honest, because it looks pretty cool. So let me get the camera down and let y'all see close up. The light is a little bright. I've got all the lights on. It's been one of those off and on, rainy, then sun comes out, rainy, sun comes out. So, and you're seeing my reflection of my camera there. I hate that. I'm just sorry, you guys. But that part, doesn't that look super cool? I think that looks really cool. The purple is just like along the fringes. So I'm not getting that mixed into it some. A little bit. I'm seeing it in this cell there, but mostly it's just along the edge, but that's okay. It's mixed in a little bit right here. I like that. That's really pretty. But for my first successful attempt at this, I think it turned out pretty good. So I'm going to call it a day with that, and hope you guys enjoyed it. I look forward to seeing you at my next paint party. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.